Today we got a video from Body Cam Ninja, and the title of the video is Bank Fraudster Begs for Mercy After Getting Caught in the Act.
On March 1st, 2024, officers were dispatched to a bank after a branch manager called police and reported that a woman was attempting to use a fake ID to open an account.
Are you coming to deposit your checks? You're not coming to tell me to move out of the yellow line, are you?
No, I'm not.
Okay, great. I just left my deposits there. Thank you. Have a good day, officer.
You're welcome.
There'll be a fee. How you doing? Hey, how are you?
What's up, boss?
It's the green.
Yes. How's it going?
I'm all right. How are you?
You have this young lady looking to open up a new account.
Hang on. I got
Miss, stop.
You're done.
Can you come here for a second?
Stop talking. Just wait with her. Wait with these. Where's partner?
He's doing something.
Just wait with this.
Oh, my boy Fly, boy. Hold on. Where did I get him from? Hold on, my boy Fly. He got the braids. Hold up. Okay. Where this at? All right, bet. They got some culture around there. Okay. I'm fucking with it.
Wait with these. Where's partner?
He's doing something.
Just wait with this.
Made me do it out there. He's waiting on me.
Yeah, she came and opened up a deposit relationship. ID is fake.
He made me do it, that guy out there. Can I show you?
1 second.
I'm scared. Please don't take me to jail. Please, I have 3 kids.
What guy?
I'll give you
Is he in
this.
a car?
Yeah, I'll show you. Please. Because I wouldn't have sex with him. Please, I'm scared. I'm scared.
It's all right. Stand over here for a second.
Please.
She came in yesterday to open up an account. The system flagged it. We told her we needed proof of address, so she left, came back, and she brought this. She lives in New Jersey, she says. Her Google address is a hotel, it's a Marriott hotel, and she's giving me a Con Ed bill.
Is this her actual ID?
No, that's fake.
This is a fake ID.
That's a fake ID. Terribly fake.
Please.
Stop going in your bag.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't have anything.
It's a border. I don't know that. Stop going in your bag.
Okay.
So was she able to? You
Now,
guys
the
just
information's in the system, but we didn't open an account.
okay. Where'd you meet this guy? Okay. And then what happened?
He told me I had to do this. So I wouldn't have sex with him. They got a sex ring, and he made me come in here.
Well, she basically just confessed. She said he made me do it. Made me do what?
Yeah. So she wasn't successful in opening any account. There's no money. It's just she's trying to open an account with this ID.
Using a fake ID.
Okay.
Please give me a chance, please.
So tell me more
She's
about
lying.
You met him online, and then what? When did y'all meet?
Yesterday,
Yesterday. Okay. Where?
here,
Where's here?
right here, he made for me to come over here, and he said, well, you're not going to do this with me. You got to go to the bank. And I have a regular job. I work at Jim Dandy's.
Okay.
I can take you right to him. I'll call him right now.
Hold on.
Please don't take me to jail, please. I didn't do anything. Please.
All right.
Please.
Stop. Right. Who's this he?
He's right down the
Is he in a
block.
car?
No, he's walking. There's 2 of them.
What are they wearing?
A blue jacket, and the other one has like on black. I'll call him and get him to come down.
And who are you to them?
They tried to get. Can we step right here? He tried to get me to have sex with him, and I wouldn't. He said that I had to come to the bank, and he gave me that information. I don't have any money or anything. He said that I needed to come open an account, and I don't know what they want me to do. I haven't done anything yet.
What's your name?
My name is Monique.
Okay. Where's your actual ID?
I don't have it, but
You have nothing.
I have nothing. I do have something with my name on it.
Okay, so provide that to this officer, please. I will figure out what's going on.
Here's. That's me.
Number
You have anything with
29,
a picture?
North Fullerton Avenue,
Yeah, can I
29
get it
North
out?
Fullerton
Yeah.
Ave.
It's my alcohol license from Georgia. Can I get it out?
Does it have your picture on it?
Yeah, I'm just nervous.
Just hold on.
Please don't take me to jail, please. Am I going to jail? Please.
I don't know. My boss is here now, so let's see if he's a nice guy today.
Hey, will you please? I don't do drugs. I don't do anything.
Okay.
Please just give me a chance. Please.
So, you met, I thought it was one guy, so it's two guys now that you met yesterday? Online? Where on?
Reddit.
On Reddit. And then you guys met here in Montclair?
I just need him. I need him. Can I be honest with
Please.
you? I'm just embarrassed.
Okay. I understand. I understand.
I'm just embarrassed.
I understand.
She a pro.
Okay. Oh, the people you met. Okay.
I'm 40 and I told him I was younger than what I was.
So,
I was in the third. They were gonna give me money to like hang out with them. And they told me I had to come in the bank and open a checking account.
so where'd you get the idea from? They gave it to you, or you?
No,
that's yours?
I don't know how to do that.
Okay.
I was just trying to hang out with some guys and get some money, like, but not like a criminal way. You know what I'm saying?
What's going on, man? You're being recorded, just let you know, all right?
Okay.
Is that your real information?
No, that is.
Did you run her yet?
Oh, no.
How'd you get here?
They paid for my Uber to get here
Where do you live?
and Lyndhurst. I just want to go home. I don't know.
Hey, fine. We're gonna bring her out here.
Thank you.
They give you a utility bill that's clearly not yours.
Yeah, they told
And
me.
you thought you were doing something okay.
No, they told me I had to do it.
Or what?
I don't know.
Have you ever met these people?
Yeah, I'm scared of them. No, I'm not even from here, Georgia.
I thought you were from Lyndhurst.
That's where I live. Yeah, but originally I'm from Georgia. I don't know anybody here. I was just trying to hang out with some guys
Where'd you meet these guys?
online,
Where online?
on Reddit. And there's a whole ring of them. And I'm scared of them. Please don't let them get me, please.
Well, if you come with us, they won't be getting you, so.
Are you good? Am I going to go to jail forever?
Sarge crazy. She said, I'm scared. She said, I'm scared of him. And he said, well, if you coming with us, you won't have to worry about him. Now that's funny. That's funny. Listen, she in on it, man. Now, do I believe that they probably met on Reddit and stuff like that? Yeah. Reddit got a lot of weirdos on there. You know what I'm saying? Like you could get a lot of information on Reddit, but there's a dark side to it, and it's a lot of weirdos. Like she just said, she met these guys, they're kind of younger, and she told them she's really 40, but she told them that she was younger than what she was, so she could go hang out. You know, it's like if you ever watch that movie, you know, Stella Got Her Groove Back. You know what I mean? She in her 40s now. She probably feel like, you know, she wants a young guy. You know what I mean? She want a younger guy, and she up there in age. She past her prime and all that. You know what I mean? So it's like, but that's the type of stuff that be going on Reddit. And the same thing with the guys. Guys be on there looking for young girls and all of that type of stuff. You know what I'm saying? I'm not necessarily saying underage, but just younger. You know what I mean? Like, it's a whole lot of shit going on, man. You know what I'm saying? Reddit. Yeah, don't go on Reddit. Unless you looking for some information about something, you know, go look at the information. But don't be sitting there trying to meet friends and stuff like that. Nah, hell nah. It's a bunch of weirdos on there.
Not forever, but we'll see.
Thank you. Well, I just stay in a hotel right now, so I don't have a lot.
You don't have an address?
I just moved up here.
Okay, what would be be your last known address?
In Georgia.
See, yeah, and this in New Jersey. Okay, all right. It gotta be New York, New Jersey. These are the only type of cops that got that flavor like that. New York, New Jersey, you know, stuff like that. You see my guy, he got the braids. He got, yeah, that's my guy right here, man.
Wait a minute.
And Lynn-
I'm sorry. I thought he was living in Lyndhurst.
Yeah, I stay at a hotel there. I get a discount through Marriott. My boyfriend and I do.
It seems like your story's changing every 2 minutes already.
Cause she lying.
90 seconds.
Please give me a chance. I won't ever talk to anybody again. Please give me a chance. Please just let me go home. Please, sir. Please. I don't want to do. I just want to work. I have a regular job.
Where do you work?
At Jim Dandy's in Rutherford. I work at a barbecue place. I just want to go home and work and never do anything bad again. Please give me a chance.
You didn't try this at any other banks, did you?
No. I don't even have a car. They Ubered me right here. Yeah, no.
Does your boyfriend know about these two gentlemen that...
I'm an idiot.
Yeah, thank you.
I've been in trouble before, and I just wanted enough money to get out, and I just want out of this. I just want out.
Would you get in trouble before?
Huh?
How'd you get in trouble before?
Because
We're gonna look it up, so just tell us the truth.
I used to have a problem with addiction.
Okay.
And I've been clean for a month and 16 days.
Okay.
In-state pickup only in Georgia. She's gonna check Jersey now. They're gonna check Jersey now.
Okay. Well, she's gonna come with us.
Okay.
I'm going to jail for a long time.
I don't know how long. You might be in and out tonight. All right.
Give me the bag.
I'm scared.
Phone, drop it. Drop it. Thank you.
Put your arm behind your back. Let me take your watch off.
You think I'm ever going to get out?
Probably eventually.
Eventually? Like a long time? Oh. A long time? How long?
Miss, would you stop asking us questions? Jeez Louise.
You should have just stayed at the hotel.
You should have.
Are they going to take me back to Georgia?
Miss, stop asking us questions. For the last time. The answer is no. You're not going to Georgia. You're being placed under arrest. We're taking you to Montclair Police Department headquarters to prosecute. You're not going to Georgia.
How long
Okay.
am I being arrested for today?
Fraud.
For a fake ID?
Criminal intent.
Criminal intent.
Your watch is going in your bag where your phone is, right? Phone in the bag.
So what are my charges?
You can have a seat. Watch your head.
Slide over to the... There you go. Alright.
Yeah, I guess just grab that and meet me up there.
Yeah, I got you.
So that's somebody else's social they're using.
When they put their father on check.
Yeah, this says Regina Rose, and her name is not Regina.
Oh, okay. Unfortunately, you probably will be calling again before the end of the month.
It happens, and we'll be here.
Mm-hmm.
Boom. All is well?
Yeah.
Oh, that's your license. All right, boss. Thank you. Sorry about it, all the craziness.
All good, all good. Thank you.
All right.
There's a bunch of brothers in there, boy. Okay.
This is like a bad dream. This is like a bad dream.
Right in there. To the left.
Right in there. I'll talk to you a little bit. Just
Into the cell.
you can wait there and think about what you did.
Like a step.
The suspect was charged with a felony count of attempted fraud for being in possession of a fake ID with the intent of committing fraud. She was also charged with a felony count of forgery for attempting to open a new bank account with a fake ID. Thanks for watching the video.
Man, I love it. Man, it was nothing but minorities in that video, man. That thing, you got the sergeant, Asian guy. You got the officers, black. You got the bankers, they black. Like, yo, that was damn. You know, if you just go by the internet, all you would think is just minorities, just a bunch of bad people if you just followed what was online. Look at that. Anyways, yeah, I think the officers did a good job, man. Reddit, mad weirdos. If her story is even true, she could be lying, whatever the case may be. But anyway, 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.